Yo, what's up, party people in the place to be? You're listening to the man they call Big D. I'm 59 years old. I'm an all-natural bodybuilder, a hot yoga instructor, a single dad who raised 3 kids, a member of a church in Kensington called the Rock Ministries who gives back to the community, a retired member of Local 542 out of Philadelphia, operating engineers, crane operator, drill operator. I work out. I'm drug-free. I've been clean over 31 years. I'm in an association, OCB, where you get tested to do the bodybuilding. People should be looking up to a man who preaches being drug-free. The kids today, I want you to know you don't have to use drugs. I'm not putting anybody down who does steroids or any other drugs, but I don't, and you don't have to either. Peace.